Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a YouTube or Vimeo video in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account, then go to websites. And here you will see a list of the available websites in your account. And let's say that I want to add my YouTube or Vimeo video in this website. Click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and let's create a new or a blank section to have space that I can add videos on. So to add a video, simply click on this plus icon and look for this video element, drag and drop it like that. And here, this is the default default video. Click on edit video, and here remove this YouTube link, and let's check the YouTube website, and let's add this video. So copy the video link, go back to the website editor, paste your YouTube video here, and automatically the thumbnail will be taken from YouTube. Here you can also autoplay this video. The autoplay feature does not work on mobile devices. It is limited to desktop devices. You can also, if you go with this autoplay, you can make this website a loop, meaning when the video ends playing, it starts again, and you can show or hide the video controls. Just like that, you can hide the video controls of your Vimeo video if you are a paying Vimeo user. Let's hide the videos for this YouTube, or let's test hiding the video controls for this YouTube video. Now close this window. You can also add animations to your video. For example, this is a scale, slide, fade, or no animation. Now close this window. You can also duplicate this video simply like this. Now, don't forget to update your website from here to publish those new videos. My website was updated. Let's view it live. And these are the two YouTube videos I've added. As you see, they automatically started playing. And when I click on it, the video controls are hidden. Let's refresh this page. Both of them started playing automatically. Let's pause, or let's disable the autoplay for this video on the right and show the video controls on the same time. Don't forget to update your website again. Let's view the website again. And as you see, only the video on the left started playing because the one on the right was this feature was enabled, that was disabled for. And as you see, it also shows the video controls like the play and pause, also the volume buttons. Now let's test adding this Vimeo video instead of a YouTube. So I will go back here, click on edit, remove the YouTube video link, add the Vimeo link. As you see, it's same thing. This screenshot, or my bad, the thumbnail is automatically detected. Click on update, view site. And this is how to add. As you see, the Vimeo video was automatically played. Unfortunately, I was not able to pause the video because I selected this, I think. Show video controls, yes, now enable, and close this window and update website. The website is, let's view the website again to see if the video will, as you see, the start was automatic. And now the video controls are shown. And this is how to add a YouTube or Vimeo video in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.